Well, I know I love your wines, and we're sipping one of your Bordeaux blends. So tell me a little bit about that.
Correct, yeah. So what we primarily do is Bordeaux blends. What you're sipping on right now is our 2017 Piedmont Station.
Oh, it's so good. It is so good.
Piedmont Station is one of our flagship wines. This particular vintage, I believe, is about 50% Cab Sauv, 20% Merlot, 20% Cab Franc, and then the rest PV.
Okay, so a little Petit Verdot in there, and I can really pull that
Yeah.
out. I love it.
That's something what I've learned in the past 2 years that I've been here, working with Rick Tagg, our winemaker, and the rest of our staff, is before I drank wine. I appreciated it, but didn't know really the process, how to get from the grape to the bottle, right?
Yeah.
And so what we've learned, what I've really learned is it's a complex thing. There's a lot of ins, a lot of outs, as our winemaker will always tell me.
Absolutely.
And it's a recipe, right? They're building blocks, right? We use a certain varietal for a building block for a certain wine, and then we use the other varietals to enhance that. And so it's so cool to kind of go through that blending process.
It's great.
Yeah.
Now, Piedmont Station is what Delaplane was called earlier,
Correct.
right? Yeah.
Yes. So the town of Delaplane, which is a few miles from us, used to be called Piedmont Station. And I don't know the exact history, but I know it was the first railroad stop in the Civil War.
Well, this is just such a beautiful area, and you're surrounded by these rolling hills and mountains, and just looking out at the vineyard, it's so incredibly beautiful. You have gorgeous scenes from right here at your vineyard.
Yes, we are very proud of the vineyard, the views that we have. You know, if you're here, we talk about our logo, and if you look at our view across the way, you see the Cobbler Mountains, you see our logo. You're overlooking the Crooked Run Valley. We've got Lost Mountain here. It's just unbelievable. There's not a day that I'm here that I'm like, oh, there's a bad view. Sunsets are amazing. I mean, even when it's cloudy and overcast, you just get this beautiful view over the valley. Over the past year, what we've really seen is a lot of new customers, a lot of new people to wine, especially during COVID. They've had to get outside of their house, get outside the city. And fortunately, us being in the country, we have a lot of outdoor seating. So we've seen a lot of new people to wine, and it can be intimidating.
Yes.
And so we want to make sure they feel comfortable, and that's the one thing that we do when they first walk in. They make sure we're greeted with a friendly face, find them a comfortable place to sit, and enjoy the wine. That's what it should be about.
Angelo, thank you so
Cheers.
much for having us here and for letting us enjoy these amazing wines.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.